Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mohit. Okay, so I've been writing about a lot of things on the internet, product, startup, Web3, crypto, but not always these days I find time to sit down, write and then put it out on the internet. So I wanted to create a new place to put out all of my thoughts, a place where I could just press record my thoughts and put it out there. So this is that place. I'm starting my YouTube channel. This is like a horcrux to my soul.
I beg your pardon?
This is a palace of my mind. This is my mind palace. This is my sanctum, sanctorum. This is where I'll put everything about crypto, Web3, startups, building products. If you're interested in any of the stuff, this is your place to hang out because this is what I do every single day. I've built dozens of startups, failed so many times, built 50 plus side projects, products, like I've done all of it. Been doing it for more than 10 years now. Of course, and there's crypto, Web3, the hottest trend. Been there, done that. I've built probably the world's one of the first crypto-focused venture capital fund. Have been involved with 200 plus crypto teams. I have seen how products are built. I have seen how investments are made. So if you're interested in any of this good stuff, this wonderful stuff, this is your place. Let's hang out together. This is where I'll be putting all of my thoughts, my ideas out. Welcome to my channel, and also subscribe. I know people do this. I mean, button would be somewhere over here. I don't know, but yes, subscribe!